Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable default app lock on WhatsApp. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp and then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option. After that go to privacy option and then scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you can see app lock option. Then just tap here. Here you can see unlock with biometrics option. Then you have to just enable this option from here. Then you have to scan your fingerprint or face lock, and you can see it's enabled successfully. Then you have to just enable show content in the notifications option. Also here you can see automatically lock option. You can see three options: immediately, after 1 minute, and after 3 minutes. I suggest you to set immediately and then go back, then close the WhatsApp. Now if I open my WhatsApp, you can see app lock has been enabled successfully. If I open it again, you can also use your current PIN or password from here. Just type your current screen lock password. Then tap on continue and you can see it's unlocked successfully. And that is how you can enable app lock on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.